Hello guys, today we'll talk about a new phone. This phone is Motoral Razr 40 Ultra. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is a foldable smartphone. When unfolded, the phone measures 170.8 by 74 by 7 millimeters, and when folded, it measures 88.4 by 74 by 15.1 millimeters. The phone weighs 184.5 gram or 188.5 gram depending on the model. The phone has a foldable LTPO AMOLED display with a size of 6.9 inches and a resolution of 1080 by 2640 pixels and come with refresh rate 165 Hz, no lag in phone experience. The processor, it is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4 nanometers, chipset and Adreno 730 GPU. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, 60 FPS or Ultra, and same thing as in a game Call of Duty and other games with best games experience, and the speakers are described as sounding quite pleasant, clear, and loud. The phone also features Dolby Atmos technology, which enhances the sound quality of the speakers. Phone has a front-facing camera with 32MP 2.4 and two rear-facing cameras with 12MP lens slot 1.5 and 13MP lens slot 2.2. Take beautiful pictures by this camera and record video 4K 60 frames per second whether in the front or back camera. The phone has 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Battery. The battery size is 3,800 mAh non-removable with charger 30W small capacity, but with fast charger not a problem. The phone has a water repellent coating and a second external AMOLED display with a size of 3.6 inches with refresh rate 144 Hz. The price of Motoral Razr 40 Ultra phone is $699. You will find the purchase link in description. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.